Old One-Eye is a carnifex of Highfleet Behemoth. One of the few survivors from the Great Devourer's devastating First Tyrannic War, its ability to regenerate from grievous wounds has allowed it to bear the scars of its rampage for centuries. Trapped upon the world of Calth, following its injury to its brain by a plasma pistol blast, which bored through its right eye, such a trauma is the only one to leave a permanent scar, perhaps due to the brief deactivation of its cognitive function. Frozen beneath the ice packs of the planet as the defenders of Ultramar purged its kin from Calth. With the arrival of a band of smugglers, the Carnifex was thawed from its decades-long hibernation. Releasing not a corpse, but a living colossus which devoured the smugglers in short order, now separated from the hive mind of Behemoth, the Carnifex turned to striking haptomes, population centers, and convoys within reach of its claws. Drawing abandoned remnants of the First Tyrannic War, such as Termagants, and developing Genestealer cults to fight by its side, as the apex tyrannid organism of Calth rallied its kin, it would fall to the Ultramarine Scout Sergeant, Telion, to attempt an assassination. Firing a peerless sniper round at its ruined eye socket, which would be the envy of even the most capable Space Marine marksman, now writhing in pain, Old One-Eye stumbled into an enormous ravine, though none of Telion's scouts managed to identify its corpse. Its rapid cell regeneration, now commonplace amongst the Carnifex bioforms of Highfleet Leviathan, the followers of the Behemoid undercult worship Old One-Eye as a saint of their creed, ritually scarring their faces, tattooing its form on their flesh, and gouging their own right eyes out as an act of devotion to the Behemoth. Reports of a ruined Carnifex still reported across several outposts of the realm of Ultramar to this day. Many are baffled as to how this Goliath could have managed to travel off-world, nor how it has survived over a dozen claims of being felled.